Hi, in this video I'll show you a few easy ways to generate your own frame designs with Intco Framing Studio. This tool will help you to customize your own frame styles and preview them in a realistic room setting. To get started, please go to intco-framing.com and click the upper right corner to log in. If you don't have an account, please check out another video, How to Set Up an Account. Once you're logged in, there are two ways to navigate. You can find Framing Studio on the top bar or scroll down the home page and find in the middle. Click any of them to start. The studio will automatically open a new page. There are 5 main sections on the page: photo artwork, frame style, preview, background color, and then most importantly is the bottom saving section. Okay, let's get started. Say you want to use your own image. Click Upload an image and choose one from your computer. You can edit the image size with the preset tools, rotate it or crop it. Once you're done, click Confirm. Or let's try to select an existing artwork. There are many picture and photo themes you can choose from. I'll use a horse photo to start. Here you can change the width of the image, and it will stay proportional even if the image size changes. And don't forget, you can change the wall background color anytime. Now let's try to customize some frames. This is a very easy interface to operate. Beginning with the options for the outer frame, you can customize and then add additional inner frame, single or double mapboard as desired. Select only 2 to 3 frame preferences on the gray panel to filter your options. Too many preferences will have a 0 or few results. Also, it will slow down the search. Say you want to focus on a thin frame in black color. Select the frame to preview style. You can unselect the orange preferences to refilter. Now let's try a PS material photo frame in dark wood color. Options displayed below after filtering will be arranged in order of popularity. Let's move on to the inner frame. This additional option gives the frame design more depth and dimension. Here I'm going to use a thin gold inner frame. If you decide inner frame is not needed, simply click X to cancel out. Next is the mapboard setting. You can choose color and spacing on each side. Click X to delete. Here, I'll add 6 cm on top and bottom, 4 cm on left and right. Same setting for the second mapboard option. The size indicates the space in between the two mapboards. Once you're done with the customization, don't forget to go to the bottom right corner and click Favorite. This will save the design in your Intco library for future viewing, and you can save as many options as you like. Just a quick explanation on the other 3 buttons. Add to List will save the frame styles into your wish list. Preview is how you can view all your frame designs in a realistic room setting. Download button is for saving the designs right on your computer. To show you the best way to use Framing Studio, let's use Favorite to save. Once the saving is complete, go back to the home page and then click your account name on the top right corner. You can find all your saved designs under Favorite and make sure to select Framed Art on the top. To delete the frames you don't like, click the frame image and confirm. Now here's the best part. You can see what your frames will look like in different styles of rooms. Choose the image you want to see and select View in Studio. Drag the mouse to change the frame location and pull any corner to adjust its size. You can choose to upload your own room background or select from Intco Room Style library. There's a variety of themes to choose from. To change the frame or select multiple frames for a gallery wall, click Favorite. All your saved designs will show on the right. Choose any of them to add to your view. You can also adjust several shadow settings. Click Save Picture anytime to download the room view on your computer.